You can customize the default scanning rules provided by our SAST and secret detection analyzers. Ruleset's customizations support two capabilities: either disabling predefined rules or modifying the default behavior of a given analyzer. These capabilities can be used simultaneously. In this example, I am modifying the default behavior of GoSec, and I've included this pattern to give an alert if any of these strings are detected. If we go to our job, we can see, under the Security tab, that a potentially hard-coded credential exists. By clicking on that, we can see the path and information on the vulnerability, and clicking on the path, we see that the string weird was detected that was part of our rule set, and we can see that a potential vulnerability was found.